Hello, this is a quick review of the FORESAIL folding EDC knife, and I wish I could give you a model number, but FORESAIL doesn't appear to give model numbers to their knives. What it is a titanium scaled M390 bladed small pocket knife. It's flipper type, and I can tell you just from first impressions that the quality is superb. I don't know if the scales are machined or cast. Again, this is an aluminum, vanadium, titanium alloy, pretty common type, TC4, also known as TC4. But whatever, whether it's machined or cast, it's absolutely flawless. Beautiful fit and finish. The blade is absolutely dead center on this knife. Small knife, again, nice little pocket knife. Flip action is terrific. The lockup is extremely secure. In fact, I was actually wondering if there was something wrong initially because I had to give it a little firmer push in the frame lock than I usually would have to. But no worries. Flips beautifully, holds beautifully. About a 2-inch blade. Nice handy pocket size for boxes and minor sharpening and what have you. I'm sure I will lose this little lanyard in a hurry. It's just gets in the way. The only criticism I have of this knife so far is this pocket clip, which can be removed. It's just screwed in from the other side. But it is, if you look at it, very sharp. Not sharp as in the cutting sense, but it's a pretty stiff pocket clip, and that little diamond point on it that holds it in your pocket is hard to get actually sliding in and out of your pocket. The only thing that would improve that is either taking some of it off or rounding it off a bit, and I'm not sure if I'll just remove it or if I'll try modifying it or just what. But the pocket clip is almost unusable because of that, unfortunately, because the rest of this knife is just nice. The grind is dead perfect. The finish is perfect. Tapering, perfect. Look at that top. It arrived really sharp. And the scales, as I said, are nice. They're grippy too. You could get nice traction on that, and it's good looking. This is a very nice knife. I've never heard of this brand before it was offered to me for review. And I can tell you, if the rest of the FORESAIL knives are up to this standard of quality, then they're well worth your time. This is a nice knife.